Morning! Kagabi natalo po ako ng $100. Ganun lang po kabilis. Siguro mga less than 5 minutes. Ayan, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano maglaro, matalo, manalo. Mag-enjoy ka lang. Okay? Alright. So, okay, $100 po yan. Sa peso, 1,000. So, mag-enjoy lang po ako. Okay, papasok ko po siya. Diyan, kakainin na po ang aking $100. Bye, see you later. Okay, see, nabusog po siya. Tuwang-tuwa naman po siya. So, I'm gonna do a mini bet. Mini bet is 88 cents po bawat pindot. Okay. 8 cents lang po bawat pindot. Kasi pag 88 cents, ibig sabihin meron akong 100 pindot. 100 pindot. Meron akong 100 pindot. Ano lang po yan? Pang-attraction. Nag-iingay po siya para hindi ko pa lang kung bakit siya nag-iilaw. Yan. Ang itlog yung dragon. So, nanalo ako ng $5. Okay. Alam mo, arte. Nanalo ko ng $3. Naarte-artehan ka lang naman ito para ma-attract ka. Oh! $2. Wala lang. No, wala lang. Bing, bing, bing. Wala lang. Hindi ko po maintindihan. Nanalo ako ng $6. Okay. Maraming kaik-ikan. Nanalo tayo ng $4. Kung siswertein ka, meron kang 81 speed. try nga nating pindutin yung doble. Wala. Balik tayo sa 88 cents. Ang damot-damot ko. Hindi ba siya nagbibigay ng free spin? Okay, 5 minutes na since nilagay ko yung $100. Imagine. So, we're down to $90. Medyo tagal-tagal lang bago kanya ubusan. See? Wala lang yan. Pautot. OMG, look at my $100 now only $82. I get it. $100 is now $80. Okay, it's like it's making me sleep. Kaya ayoko pong maglaro. Kasi natutuwa ka nga maglaro, pero pagkatapos naman, iiyak ka. Kasi it's like they rob you money. $100 now $76. So, let's see, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. 7 minutes na ang bigas. Wala pa rin nangyayari. Hindi pa rin siya nagbibigay ng free spin. Imagine. OMG, $100 na only $70. I'm just showing you how you get robbed when you go to casino. Yep. Not even a free spin. Imagine, 66 na lang po natitira sa $100. $64 na lang. Kaya kaya siya magbibigay ng free spin. Ang damot naman siya. Yan, wala pa rin akong free spin. See? $50 na lang. wala man lang siyang crispy. Naman. Okay. Oh my gosh, $38 na lang. Oh, $32 na lang. Gamot tong machine na to, hindi man lang niya ako pinatuwa. Okay guys, look at that. $100 is only $56 in 11 minutes. So, magdamot talaga siya. Hindi talaga siya nagbibigay ng crispy. Eh, wag na po kayo magkakasino. Pera na, naging wala pa. Pinakita ko lang po sa inyo paano mamulubi ang mga adik sa sugal. Pero sa totoo lang, ang sama-sama ng loob ko. $100. Kinain lang ng dragon. Walang nangyari. Wala man lang siyang pautot o crispy o patuwa. Wala lang. See, I only have $23 left. $100 after 13 minutes. Wala man siyang pa-crispy. Nananalo yung katabi ko. Siguro mapalikot ito. Oh shit. $16 na lang yung $100. Oh gosh. Wala talaga. Okay, $12 left. I'm taking it out. Oh no, wrong. Oh well. I'm gonna cash it out and I'm gonna use it on the other side. God. Okay, from $100 to $11 in less than 15 minutes. That's it. I only played the cheapest bet. The cheapest bet. So, yeah. Okay, I have $11 from my $100. So let's try another machine for my $11. Lumipat lang po ako ng machine. Okay, naglagay ka po ng cash. Magbabalik ko sa'yo. Okay, I have same machine. Oh, this is more joyful. This is more joyful. Ba't yung katabi ko? Nagdidig po siya. Ako nga. Service sa sugal. Kaya minsan, huwag nang magsugal. Okay, advice ko po sa inyo, huwag na kayong magsugal. That's it. Last 2 pindot. I have $2 left from my $100. po tayo na since my $100 turns to 42 cents, have a big decision to make. Am I gonna play more or I'm gonna stop? If I stop, this is the test. If you stop, that's it. Accept that you lose your $100. But if you play again, there's two consequences. Either you win or you lose more. So what are you going to do? You gonna try again and play and be crazy, or stop and move on? Oh dear. Let's see. I know, see, he could wait to select the information, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna put another $20. I'm just showing you how to lose in the casino. If you don't want to lose, don't play. I think Lola wins. See how my $20 turns into what? Just like that. Excite ka lang. Ako pala. Kasi ako naglalaro. Okay guys. That's it. I'm not gonna let the dragon keep grabbing me. See, I keep pressing it. Need more cash. I don't want to put any more cash. Oh, maybe for $1 I have to spin. Let's see, $1 with 2 spin. Okay. That's it. Bye bye. I lost $121 in 20 minutes. 20 minutes po. Bye bye. Bye bye, $120.